look what we found here. This is a ribbon snake. Now, I must say, I've caught a couple of individuals. This is the bluest one I've seen. This is a dream come true for a herper. And yeah, as I said before, you know, coming from another country, seeing what beautiful diversity the wildlife has here in Missouri is extremely exceptional. You know, people always mistaken every snake for venomous snake. If you look at the head, you know, if you have no knowledge of a snake, you'd think that might be a venomous snake and you'd often try to kill it. Although this snake is completely harmless to humans. They feed on fish, predominantly on frogs. Such a phenomenal snake. Now, yeah, you know, looking at this, I'm mesmerized how beautiful this thing is. You know, each scalp, the large scales on the head. Yeah, it's just, I'm super fortunate to be able to handle this now. And I can't even explain to you how blue this appears in person. I'm not sure if the camera is really getting all that blue. But yeah, man, I'm super happy. This is snake number 5 or 6 for the day. So I'm just going to continue on. It seems to be a phenomenal day for the snakes to be out. The sun is shining, they're basking, they're feeding. So yeah, let's carry on with the day. But happy to share this one with you guys.